Okay, boys and girls, let's go over our vocabulary words for the week. Let's look at card number 1. Look carefully at the card. What is happening in this picture? How can we use the word observe to talk about it? I could give you an example. The boy observes the butterfly on the flower. This boy found a little butterfly on a flower. The magnifying glass makes the butterfly look bigger so that the boy can observe it up close. If you observe something, you see it or watch it carefully. Can everyone say the word observe? What things do you think the boy observes about the butterfly? What's happening in this picture? How can we use the word shallow to talk about it? I'm going to give you an example. The girl plays in the shallow water to cool off. When the little girl lies down in her pool, the water only touches her ears. This little pool is shallow, but it still cools her off. Something that is shallow is not very deep. What can this girl do in the shallow water? What can't she do? What is happening in this picture? How can we use the word curious to talk about it? Here's an example. All the monkeys are curious about the mirror. These monkeys have never seen a mirror before, so they want to know what it is and what it does. They are curious about it. If you feel curious, you want to know more. What might the monkeys be curious about when they see themselves in the mirror? What is happening in this picture? How can we use the word fearless to talk about it? Here's an example. The mountain climber must be fearless to stand on the edge of a high cliff. Some people are scared of high places, but these climbers have ropes and are not afraid of falling. They are fearless. Someone who is fearless is not afraid of anything. Who else had to be fearless to take this picture? What is happening in this picture? How can we use the word discover to talk about it? Here's an example. The girl discovered a seashell in the sand. This girl saw something sticking out in the sand. When she looked closely, she discovered that it was a seashell. When you discover something, you find it or learn about it for the first time. What other things can you discover by digging in the sand?